Hello, this is Congresswoman Rosa DeLauro. I wish we could all be together in person for your annual meeting to celebrate your achievements over the past year, as well as your new name, ManufactureCT. For more than 100 years, your organization has united the voices of Connecticut manufacturers to improve our state's economy and lives of its workers. And with Jamie Scott at the helm, your talented executive director, and someone I have worked with for many years, I know you will continue to drive our communities forward. And as your new motto states, you will make the future. Our relationship goes back to 2006, when I was proud to lead efforts with NHMA and the state of Connecticut to revitalize manufacturing in our state. One particularly poignant example was our work to secure federal earmarks to bring new manufacturing equipment to Platt Tech. That equipment gave students the hands-on experience and knowledge necessary to enter the workforce as extremely desirable job candidates. We changed the direction of those kids' lives, as well as every manufacturing student that has studied there since. And we put them on the right path. And from there, we were off to the races with similar programs in technical high schools across the state, replicating that initial success. Going back even further, manufacturing has changed a great deal over the last century. When NHMA was founded, to many, it still evokes images of dark, dirty, and gritty processes. Nowadays, for most companies, nothing could be further from the truth. From electronics and pharmaceuticals to consulting and information systems, manufacturers help build the world around us and keep it running seamlessly. And in our great state of Connecticut, many of your companies support our national defense supply chain and the good-paying jobs it creates for our working families. Though your name may be changing, I am as confident as ever that you will continue doing exceptional work for the people of this state and of our country. Your mission to bring creators together, create a positive image for manufacturing, inspire our next generation to work in your industries, and be a resource for those who want to learn more is more critical than ever. Thank you for all that you do and for being leaders in our community. I hope to see you all in person soon enough. Thank you and stay safe.